Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Colourpop It's All Good eyeshadow palette. I recently reviewed and swatched the Bare Essentials palette, so if you're interested, I'll link that on the top right corner. This palette was released on December 26 on Colourpop.com. I believe this and the Bare Essentials are exclusive to Colourpop because as of now, they're still not available at Ulta. This is a 30 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $34. This is Colourpop's third 30 pan palette. Just heads up, all palettes are currently 25% off on their site, no code necessary. I'll have that link down below in the description box. It is an affiliate link, so thank you to those that use it. This palette has a cardboard packaging with a magnetic closure and it does not include a mirror. The eyeshadows do have names and they are printed above each eyeshadow and on the back of the palette. You can also find the names printed on the back of the unit carton. Out of the 30 eyeshadows, 14 are matte and 15 are shimmers and 1 pressed glitter, along with 7 pressed pigments. This is definitely a vibrant, berry, pinky palette with some peachy shades with a pop of yellow. So when I did my swatches for the mattes, all performed good without any issues. If I had to be very picky, I would say Sunbelt, which is the yellow matte, and Rockstar, which is a matte dark purple brown, were a bit patchy. But this is very common for yellow eyeshadows and purple browns. All mattes blended out smoothly when testing them with the blending brush. I did have hiccup due to the eyeshadows being creamy, and I also did have some fallout. For the shimmers, some were creamier than others, but all swatched evenly and pigmented. I would say that the more pinky eyeshadows were a bit more on the dry side compared to the rest and were less pigmented. I definitely recommend using a finger application for the shimmers in this palette. So overall, I didn't have many issues in this palette. It is more on the pinky side, so if you like wearing berry tone and peachy eyeshadows, I definitely recommend this palette. I don't think this is a limited edition palette, so I don't think you need to run out and get it. So I really hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette. Have you picked it up or are you planning on getting it? Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.